Hello everyone. I placed an order on Tombow USA. So if you'd like to see the goodies I ordered and bought with my money, then come and see what's in here. Okay, hi. Thanks for coming back. I really like Tombow products. I have my favorites from that company. Tombow, Tombow. I ordered some products because I got an email that there was for the Creativity Day sale, and there was also 40% off the sale items if you use the code SALE, and shipping to US if you ordered for $40 and more, the shipping is free. And in Canada it was for, if I remember correctly, I hope I'm not making a mistake, I believe the order was $80, shipping was free. And I ordered some stuff, and I think it only took 1 day to get here. Better than Amazon. And I got it by FedEx, and my shipping was free, so I can't complain. So what did I order? Well, I ordered some refills for the removable adhesive. Yes, you heard me right. Adhesive that is removable, like it's a tape runner with a... I already have the actual tape runner, which the company gave to me years and years ago. But these I bought. So the stuff I'm showing you today, I bought. I don't work for Tombow. I have collaborated with them in the past, but currently I have no affiliation with them. I just like to buy their products. So I got a pack of refills for the removable adhesive. And then I got the Mono Power mini glue tapes. I like the size of these. That's why I ordered them. I just like the size. I like to put these in my go bags, and yeah, and they're really cute colors. Plus, it's really good adhesive. Really good adhesive. So I ordered the blending kit. So this includes the blending guide with tips and techniques. It is a dual brush blender pen, a spray mister, and a blending palette. It's to use with Tombow dual brush pens. So basically the double-ended markers. So to use, the water-based markers. This is for to do watercolors with the water-based markers, the dual-ended brush Tombow markers. So I got that. I ordered one of my favorite pens for my journaling and mixed media, is the Fudensky pen twin. Oh my god, Fudens pen twin tip black and gray. So the foodie, I called it the foodie pen, and it's got 2 different tips, and this I believe is like $5 a piece. I know it's not a cheap pen, but it's a really good pen. Oh, what's this? It's all in Japanese. I can't read this. Some sort of little template is in here. I guess it's to help you with, oh, okay, with the Chinese calligraphy. Let's see, I don't know if you can see if it will focus. That's what it does. Oh, it's to help you with the spacing. Isn't that cool? Well, that's fun. Okay, anyway, I ordered this pen because it has a black tip at one end and a gray tip at the other. So for me, let me show you the gray is it's a flexible brush tip, and the black is like a fine liner. You can and brush, so you can do both thin and thick lines. Why do I want a gray black pen? Because I like to have the different shades, and the gray usually is great just for shading in work that I like to do. So it's compact, it's a 2-in-1, just like this is compact, and that's what I like to keep well stocked in my stash. So I ordered 3 of those actually because I really like them. I ordered a box of their Tombow pencils. They're high quality general writing pencils. I ordered the 2B. I just like this for drawing. They're just a really good drawing pencil. And this is pretty much like a classic with Tombow. So, yep, I got some of their pencils. Isn't the box cool too? So, oh, here I ordered another Mono Zero eraser. I have a couple of these and I love them. So I ordered another one because I have these in my Go kits, and I could use one at home also. I just really like these. So I got the Mono Zero eraser. And if you're wondering, like, what's the big deal with the Monos? Because it's really teeny tiny. It's a teeny tiny little eraser that is smaller than what you would get on the end of a mechanical pencil. Basically, even smaller. Like, this is the eraser. It is excellent for fine details. Also excellent if you are working, in columns with numbers and you have to erase them. It's excellent. It's like, and you just want to erase the little detail. This is perfect. I love it. I love it. And I also ordered some refills for the Mono Zero eraser. Oh no, this is the mono one. This is not the zero one. Okay, this is for my other one. This is for my other eraser that is a mono. It's not a zero. It's a little bigger than that one. But yes, I got refills for the other one. And oh, these are fun erasers. I love the sanding erasers from Tombow. They're great to use with colored pencil. And but they also have these erasers, which are dual-ended. Again, a 2-in-1. So you get the sanded part here and the rubber part here. So this is great for like colored pencil, and this is great for regular pencil. So I just like the 2-in-1, the compactness for my kits. So I ordered this. This came in a 3-pack. And I thought it was a better value in a 3-pack than to buy it single. So got that. And oh, I ordered a little black mono eraser. This is a very good eraser. It doesn't leave crumbs. So, and the size is just nice to bring in a bag. And ooh, this one's new to me, but I have used similar products from Tombow, and I really like their whiteout. That's what it is. It's correction tape. This one is like in a pen form, and I am not familiar with this one. I haven't tried it yet, but I really like their other types of correction tape. I find they're good quality. And again, I wanted this for a Go kit. And lucky me, they gave me another one as a sample. a freebie. And I'm really happy because I wanted to order refills for this and they were sold out of the refills. So thank you, Tombow, for sending me a second one of these. And that, yeah, see, that was my free sample, was the second one. And yeah. And like Tombow says, sharing art, hashtag sharing art matters. And this was on the day, Creativity Day, I think. Creativity equals self-expression. Share it with the world. And yeah, and head over to tombowusa.com for more information on hashtag sharing art matters. There's downloadable stickers to add to your art pieces to let the, yeah, so the movement that, to share art because it matters. And yep, so as I said, I'm not paid by the company. I have no affiliate links. I have no affiliation with them. I just ordered these with my money. So if you'd like to check out Tombow, I'll put the link in the description, of course. And yeah, I just really like a lot of their products. I have a lot of their markers already. But for some of my favorite tools to have in my to-go kits, yeah, I just like their products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you a little bit of information to help you in choosing your very own supplies. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.